This lesson looks at properties of lines that can be portrayed on the surface of the Earth. The first of these lines is prescribed by the notion of a great circle. A great circle is a circle on the surface of the Earth whose centre and radius are those of the Earth itself. It is called great as the disk cut through the Earth is always of the greatest possible area. The circumference of a great circle forms the path to be followed on the Earth's surface for flying a great circle track. Now, let's imagine an orange, a perfectly spherical orange. Take a length of string and pull it tightly just above the surface. As the string cannot be pulled any tighter or made shorter, it will find the shortest distance between 2 points on the orange. The string actually follows the lines prescribed by a great circle. It can be seen on the screen that the green line is shorter than the red line. The shorter arc of the great circle is therefore the shortest distance between 2 points. There are many occasions in navigation when we fly a great circle path to follow the shortest path between 2 points. Given 2 points on the surface of the Earth, there will only be one great circle joining them, unless the 2 points are exactly diametrically opposed.